Hello everyone, today we are going to see the unboxing and demo of Preethi Zodiac mixer. Let me just show you the price and the contents which are present inside this box are. So now I'm going to open this for you. Here we can see the complete jar assembly and how we can how to use this mixer. You'll get a complete picture over here. Okay, here are the list of the items. Once again, they'll show it here. So now I'm going to open this for you. This is the juicer jar. This is the atta mixer. This is the cap, and this is for juicer. And here is the mixer along with the chutney jar. Here are the jar caps. This is the large jar for grinding purpose. Here is the motor assembly. These are the multi-purpose jar caps. And here one more jar for a small mix usage like mixie, chutney and all. Here are the different blades. They are pretty sharp enough. So now we have removed all the contents present inside the box, and here are the items comes in the assembly. So here is the warranty card, and here is the instruction manual. This is the mixie and different kinds of jars we have. So that's all, folks. Now let me just make use of this and then I'll upload you for the videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.